Hey guys, we're going in the Dollar Tree so we can find some freebies and cheapies. So come on with me to with Ivy's Coupon Camp. Okay guys, look at the Halloween stuff. Now this is the kids' spooky Halloween stuff. Not like the Halloween decor like I was getting right here. So I want to grab a couple of signs to go with some things I want to put up on my Halloween, for my Halloween decor. Okay, so let's grab a couple of signs. I want these two, even though I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna want to say family here, and then I think I'm gonna get one of these, and well, let me get two of these, and then one of these, but I am going to cover them. I'm not going to leave them like that. So that's 3 of those. And I got a couple of these, but I didn't realize how small they were. They real little. So I'm going to get 2 more of these just to make sure I got enough. I might grab some to go on my stairs too. So I'm going to do a couple of different decors on my stairs. Okay, so I want a little bit more. So, let's see, this is, they don't have any buggies in here. I'm disappointed with them. Okay, let's see what kind of pumpkins they got. So I want to get this pumpkin here. I guess I get 3. You got it? Okay. Okay, here's our freebie. 2 of these. We're gonna get 4. 4 of these. Okay. That's 4 of those. Oh yeah. You grab 2 of those. I gotta make 2 transactions. Okay. I'm gonna hold it. I got it. Here. Okay. So, okay guys, so I'm gonna just do 2 transactions, 4 blues and 4 greens of the coast. I have a ton of these coupons. I want to make sure I use all of them. Get another one of those, India. Okay, I need that for my cats. Okay, now, oh look guys, they got the Suave lotions, the 3 ounces. If the coupon might work, a Suave coupon might work on that one. Okay, and the Tylenol PM coupon is working on that one. That's why you see them, I mean the Advil PM, that's why you see them gone. But I'm not gonna buy it. I really don't use Advil, so I'm not interested in it. Okay, so, and where are they at? There they are, right here. The Colgate Travel Voyages, those are free today, free this week. So let's get those. We're gonna get 4 of them, because you could get up to 4 free. Okay. Okay. 4 of those free, and I might do another transaction. I can get another 4 free, but I gotta make sure I cut out enough of them to get 4. Okay. Okay, my daughter is getting granddaughter is getting a buggy gas because this is ridiculous. Now, the Aquafresh coupon in the other store beat for me, but this coupon did not. Okay. Okay. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna get these 4 hot shoes. I'm surprised I never see these in here. Okay, and I have 2 Werther's coupon. That's caramel apple for $1 off, so these are free. So we're gonna get 2 of these also. Okay. Okay. I'm on coupon. I have it's 2.75 off 2. So we'll grab that. Okay guys, look at that. Excedrin is in here. So when you see that coupon that come out, say any, go grab it. And Curad is in here. Okay, I didn't notice that. But like I said, I'm in a Dollar Tree that I never frequent. So I'm just as surprised when I see stuff too. Let me see what else. The next time you have them $1 off Bics, you can come right here and use them. See that? No limit. When it's a no size restriction, you can come here and use that. Okay. Okay. Now we are to the. Okay, so this Aquafresh, this one actually beat, but we're gonna try it. I'm gonna get. I think I got 2, so I'm gonna try these. Those to be free. So we gotta find that coupon. Remember that. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you, it beeped at the other store, but the lady put it through. But they say now if they beep, they won't take them. No argument. Give it back. We won't buy it either, because that's not our fault that the coupon is beeping. Correct? Okay. Now here is our freebies also that's new this week, and it is the Colgate toothbrushes, the Voyagers. These are free if you get Travel Voyager. Okay. And actually, you might be able to get a free Colgate. Oh, look at that. 3, let me see. Nope, 2.7. So the Colgate got to be 3.0, but this one, see, it's 4.6. So you could get both of these. So grab these 2. And those are free. We got Creston Craft in here, and I ain't know it. This, they cleaned out the body wash. So I will be going to my store getting a body wash. I ain't gonna even. Hey. Here are the Bugles. Oh, I'll get 2 bags of those. The ice cream, this is here, but I doubt it. It might go ahead on and shut down on me before it might melt. And then here's the Jimmy Dean. We can get 1 of these. So let's see. Okay, I got a $1 off coupon for this. I'm gonna get these. Oh gosh, this one got almond milk in it, guys. Look at that. So, I mean, you know, they got a big variety. Okay, guys, you are looking at my Dollar Tree haul. First of all, let me hurry up because I don't want these sickles to start melting. They've been out for a minute. So, how many things we get free at Dollar Tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got these coupons off a pull tab in a grocery store. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 things free at Dollar Tree. Guys, start building a free stockpile. I want to take, on my last Dollar Tree video, I showed you my free stockpile. I'm going to put, if you go watch that video, you will see all of my free stuff that I've been buying from Dollar Tree on one rack, and then it's other racks. But specifically my Dollar Tree rack. That is something important. You are getting free essentials, free coats, free toothpaste, and free toothbrushes. Now, I think I told you all this coupon beeped at the last Dollar Tree place, but they put it through anyway. I don't know why it beeped, because the last one I was at, I didn't get any beeps. So anyway, let's hurry up and finish. The Bugles, of course, we've been doing this deal for a while, okay? 50 cents off 2. The Scotties, 75 cents off 2. These was $1, my favorite. Bread was today. Now, I did 2 transactions, okay? And then you look, and this is why I did 2 transactions. And this is how I got this much stuff. Because I did 2 transactions, I did my fall decor, which I'm going to do you'll be seeing that. It's my fall decor, and it'll be attached to my Clean With Me video and decorate. So I am going to be decorating with my fall decor from Dollar Tree. And I forgot to pick up something else, my canvases, so I could do my picture. I forgot to pick it up. I will pick those up before I get to do it, okay? But I hope you all understand. Now, this cost about $30. But over here, let's look at my receipt. So this is one receipt. Like I said, I did 2 hauls. Okay, so we had $24 worth of stuff. We had $11 in coupons. Total was $15. Now, this was my short, my one where it was, I only got half of each one of those things. But that's okay because each one of these was like, one was $11 and I think one was like $8 and the other one was $11. So that's okay, guys. We did a good job. Keep couponing. Keep loving what you do, guys, and keep tuning in to Ivy's Coupon Camp. I am expanding, as you all saw. You saw me do a clean with me video. Now you're going to see a clean with me and fall decorate with me from Dollar Tree video this Friday coming up. So stay tuned for more videos on this will be up. Stay tuned for more videos. This will be up on Wednesday, and then on Thursday it's gonna be digitals, and those digitals are gonna come from a couple of places, but I got one deal I want to do because I think you all need to see that deal. It's involving a PNG. I did it last month and I got freebies, and I'm doing the same thing this month. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Ivy loves you. Hey, if you're a subscriber, you're a real one. Thanks for coming back. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and drop me a comment. Bye.